So the time is here again. It's time for us to go and take a look at my iPhone 15 Pro battery health after using it for, 10 months now, which is absolutely insane. I've used it for 10 months, since that day I bought it, but I've been using it like every single day for about like 8 months now. But still, even when I wasn't really using it, I was still comparing it, using it all the time for videos and stuff like that. Now to check your battery health, we can make our way over to our iPhone settings, just like this. You want to scroll down until you see your battery option, which is right over here. So tap into battery, and then you'll see this battery health and charging option, which is right here. All you have to do is tap into there, and you can see that my battery health after using my iPhone 15 Pro for about 10 months, pretty much, it's 100% still. Now, that's really good, but as I've stated before, it can go from 100% to like 97% in a matter of like 4 months. So it really depends on how much you're using it. I've been using my iPhone 15 Pro every day nonstop. I've been putting it in hot conditions, and I know I'm not going to use this phone for 5 years. I'm only going to use it probably for a year before I get the iPhone 16. So I'm not really even trying to baby this phone that much. My iPhone 13 Pro, which I used for 2 years, ended off about 80 something, battery percentage. So the fact that this one's still at 100% almost within a year is pretty crazy. I'm actually very, very happy about it. These are my iPhone 15 Pro battery settings that I'm currently using. So you can see I have my peak performance capacity, whatever. My charging optimization, I still have on optimized battery charging. I don't have the 80% limit or none. That's kind of what I have there. And I also have clean energy charging enabled within it as well. You can kind of get a glimpse of how much I'm using my phone. Like if I click on last 10 days, you can see for the last several days I've been, this is kind of my average usage. So anywhere from, about like 3 hours of screen on time. I'm usually ending the day with probably around, I don't really know, I'm usually on a day with about like 40 to 50% battery life. And like I said, I'm not even trying to save my battery or anything like that. Average screen on time is about, 2 hours, 30 minutes, lots of TikTok, lots of FaceTime, Google Photos I'm using a lot. So I'm using a lot of like particular applications that way. But so far, it's been a really, really good experience. I've had a great time with it. Like I said, I don't really even notice me even trying to save battery or anything like that. I'm not trying to baby this phone. And the fact that it's still at 100% is very, very impressive for me. So that's my battery health so far. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.